learnt, learned. These are both past tense forms of the verb to learn. Learn means to acquire knowledge about something. The difference is in spelling and pronunciation. These words both mean the same thing, however, one is used in British English and the other is used in American English. So, the base form for both verbs is learn. In British English, both the past simple and past participle form is learnt, learnt. In American English, the past simple form and past participle is learned, learned. For example, I learnt English in London. I learned English in America. In summary, both learnt and learned mean the same thing, and it just depends on whether you are using British English or American English.